Hello, my beautiful people. I've missed y'all. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing a furniture piece. So I am revamping a chair, or upcycling a chair rather, that I got from the thrift store. I paid $1 for this chair. So y'all look around, look high and low, and find a good deal. And you can upcycle a chair too, just like this. And so be on the lookout for more videos like this, because I am gonna produce some more videos like this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and go ahead and subscribe right now. You'll see a little pink emblem on there that says subscribe, or you'll see a little red box. Go ahead and click that box and hit the bell so that you don't miss any notifications. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Now let's go. All right, so here's what the chair looks like. This is the before. This is just like an old office chair that I paid $1 for at the thrift store. I bought 2 of them. I'm gonna do this one in all white, and the other one, you'll just have to wait and see what I'm gonna do with it. But everything on this chair is plastic. This part is plastic, and the legs underneath the seat cushion is plastic, so I won't be able to use any nails or my staple gun or anything. But what I'm going to do first, so you'll see later how I'm going to put the fur on, but what I'm going to do first is use this spray paint, this Rust-Oleum satin. Now I would have did this video yesterday, however I had the really pretty Rust-Oleum spray paint can with that really pretty top on it that we all love. Well, I tell y'all, don't buy that. They come in all the really pretty colors, and I hope y'all know what I'm talking about. The top looks like the Febreze top on the Febreze air spray can, but for whatever reason I've had to take 2 of those back already because they get clogged up. So I'll use them one time, and I guess when it dries up, then that's it. So I'm going to use this one because it appears to me that the regular spray paint works better as far as not getting clogged up. I'm spending half my time back at Home Depot or Hobby Lobby returning the spray paint. So let's get started. So just make sure that you shake your can up really good, and then don't even worry about the fabric on a chair like this, about getting the spray paint on it. It's not going to matter. It's going to get all covered up. You're just going to spray evenly and let it dry, and then do a second coat. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's kind of dark over here. Let me come on this side. So I'm not going to worry about that fabric at all. If it gets on there, it doesn't even matter. No one's ever gonna see it. So yeah, this is all I'm gonna do, is just give it an even coat of spray paint and let it dry. So y'all know how to do this. I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm about to add the fur to it, and I purchased this because I needed to fix the headliner in my car. I got this from Advanced Auto, and it says that it bonds to foam, carpet, fabrics, plastic, and rubber. So I'm going to use this with this project because I already have it. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. And then I am going to use this fur. I purchased 2 yards of this from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to put it over the chair and get started. Okay, so you can see that I just took the fabric and just laid it all over the chair, and I put it all along the back. And if you wanted to, you could treat this like it's 2 separate pieces, and you could cut it in the middle here and treat this like a piece and this like a piece. But to me, since this chair comes together so close right here, I'm going to treat it as just one piece. I'm not going to bother with cutting it because fur is going to get everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the chair and the fabric with the spray that I showed you. So let's do that. I almost forgot. The bottom of it is, you know, kind of long. So all I'm going to do first is cut off the excess so that I can use it for another project. So I'll just cut it along the front right here. And then I'm going to spray all of the chair and then all the back of the fabric and then adhere them together. So I'm shaking it up really good, and I'm going to start spraying. Actually, I'm going to start with the back and then wrap the back first. the guy at Advanced Auto told me to let this get tacky and spray it on the other part and let it get tacky, so which would be the fabric, and then put them together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ew, it already feels, it already is kind of tacky. It's ew. Yeah, okay, let me put a little more. So I draped the fabric over the back of it as far as I need it to go. Now I'm gonna spray it so that they can adhere together. And oh yes, it's very tacky. He said that it would get tacky, and it is. So try not to get it on the actual fur. We just want to get it on the back side. So now I'm just gonna fold this over and smooth it out, and then I'll work on the other side. I'm sorry, it's kind of hard for me to hold this and show y'all. Oh yeah, it's sticking down. Oh yeah, this is good right here. So okay, you see, whoops, yep, it's sticking. I better go ahead and get it exactly where I need it, because it's laying down really nicely. So I will work on this and I'll be back. Okay, so I've decided that I needed to cut a little slit right here in the side. So I just cut all the way up to the chair. And all I'm going to do, I thought I was going to go in here with some E6000, but I might not have to. All I'm going to do is spray underneath this fabric and spray underneath here, since it says it sticks to plastic. And I'm just going to take this front piece and fold it under so that the fur is not coming off everywhere. And I am going to just simply adhere this all the way underneath this chair. And then I will figure out what I'm going to do with this part of it, the part up top, how I'm going to put it together. But I've already figured this part out. As I said, I've never done this before, so I am just playing it by ear. Okay, I decided that for this side piece, all this excess that's left, I'm just going to cut it up kind of close to where it is, to where it meets the chair. Get this excess off, and then I'm going to glue one side down just the way it is, and then I'm going to turn the other side and glue it so it'll have a finished look to it. So I hope that y'all can see that. So I'm almost done with it. I am just going to show y'all this side piece. So all I'm going to do is take this. I think I showed you this outside, but it's a new day now, so I'm going to take this and just fold it over. You see it's already coming on this side. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to fold it just a little bit and put some hot glue and just finesse it. Just I'm folding it so that you won't see this edge, even though if I just did it like this, you probably wouldn't see it either. I just want to make it look more finished, so I'm just going to fold it back just like this and just put a little bit of hot glue all the way up, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So you see, I'm just gonna bend it over. Well, part of it's already glued, so it's hard for me to show you how to bend it over. Oops, my glue fell out. But I'm just gonna put a bead of glue, a kind of generous bead of glue there, and then fold it over and just hold it down. Let it dry for just a moment. And that's all I did down the side. And let me tell you these things. I don't want to forget. This fur is very forgiving. You can hardly tell when you make a mistake because of all the, the hair and all the fluff. And this plastic chair, I wasn't sure how this is going to work out because I was not able to use any nails or the staple gun or anything like that. And most of the chairs I see done are done with a wooden chair. But I think that this turned out really nice, and I like the fact that I didn't have to use my staple gun. And that product, this product that I'm using, this is like my new favorite thing right here, this headliner and carpet adhesive. I think they sell another adhesive, like 3M has something that you can use for everything, but this has worked out pretty good for me and made this very, very simple to do. So if you don't have a staple gun, you don't need to get one. You can just use this spray adhesive and let it get tacky and put it on. I think that this turned out really, really nice. Okay, those of y'all who always watch me know that I usually have some boo-boos in my video and in my tutorials, and I do not take them out, I leave them in. Well, right here, you can see that this didn't get covered up, and even when I pull this taut, it's still not gonna cover it up. So we are not gonna do anything but just take a small piece of the fur, spray this with this spray it on the back of our fabric, and just fill it in and keep on going. We are not gonna be moved by that. We are just gonna fix it and keep on going. And this project, that's what I mean by it being very forgiving. No one is gonna know about that one little spot. And as you can see, just like that, it's covered up and you cannot tell that I messed up. So I'm almost done with it. Okay, here is the big reveal. I love the way this chair turned out. I bought 2 of these chairs, so I am gonna do another DIY. I haven't yet decided exactly what I'm gonna do for the second one, but I think I am going to use a darker colored fur. And so y'all just have to look for that. But I love, love, love how this turned out. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other DIYs on this channel. I cannot wait to visit with y'all again. I hope I can come up with something even better next time. Thank y'all for joining me. Bye-bye, my beautiful people. Mwah. Vibrate higher, vibrate love. See you next time.